Hi, today we're going to teach you on how to export or how to download a high quality or even a 4K video from Canva. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's begin. This tutorial is very simple and it goes as follows. Let's say that you have a PowerPoint presentation, or you can upload your own actual video here on Canva. And if you're done and if you are ready to export or download, please, you need to make sure before that we can do this or to make it 4K is to make sure that you have Canva Pro enabled. And from here, what you need to do here is to head on over to the top right of the screen, click on share, click on download, and the file type, choose it as MP4 video. And as you can see here, you have levels of quality, and you can only change the quality of the video if you have Canva Pro active. But for now, since we're on a free account, you can only export or download it as maximum as 1080p. However, like I've said, if you have Canva Pro enabled, you can maximize it to 4K. And once you clicked it, and now the video is being downloaded, and now you have successfully exported and downloaded a high quality video from Canva. I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.